Okay, we asked find the derivative of the following. So the first one is sine x raised to power 6 times sine 6x, while the second one is sine x raised to power 6 times cos 6x. So I'm going to solve the question using two important formulas first, then I will prove it. So the first one is the derivative of sine x, that's sine x raised to power m sine mx, and the derivative of what, if you notice the power here is the same as this, the answer will be m sine m minus 1 raised to, that's sine x raised to power m minus 1 times sine m plus 1. Yes, x. So if you have that the power here is the same as the coefficient of x here, the answer will now be m sine x raised to power minus 1 sine m plus 1x. So looking at this equation, our m is 6. So our answer is 6 sine 6 minus 1 is 5x sine 6 plus 1 is 7. So our answer is the answer is option A. That's the only one that suits the answer. So why the second one? If you have the derivative of sine x raised to power m cos mx, and the answer is m sine x raised to power m sine x raised to power m minus 1 cos m plus 1 x. So looking at this second one, so our m is 6. So the answer will now be 6 sine x raised to power 5 cos 7x. So the first one, we have the derivative of sine x raised to power m sine x. So as you can see, this is a product. So using product, so we have sine mx, the derivative of sine mx is m cos mx. That's, I'm using product rule. U dv dx plus v du dx. So that's product rule plus sine mx, derivative of sine x raised to power m is m sine m minus 1 raised to power x cos x. So that's our product rule. And looking at this, both there is sine x raised to power minus 1 in both. Yes, that's because you can still get it from here if you bring out sine m sine x raised to power minus that. So inside this we still have cos mx, and we still have one of this sine x. Why this? We have sine mx cos x. So write m sine x raised to the power minus 1. So there is, from trig identity, sine ms cos x plus cos ms is now sine mx plus x from our trig addition formula for sine, which is now m sine x raised to the power m minus 1 sine, you can bring out the x, is now m plus 1 x. So that's how I got the formula that we'll use. So the second one, if you have sine the x of sine mx cos mx, so applying the same product rule, we have sine mx, the derivative of cos mx is minus m sine mx plus cos ms, the derivative of this is m sine m minus 1x cos x. So looking at this again, we have a common term of m sine x raised to 1 minus 1. We are left with, we have minus sine mx sine x plus, we are left with cos ms cos x. Right, sine x raised to the power m minus 1. And what do you notice from our addition formula for cosine? Cos ms cos x minus sine ms sine s is now cos mx plus, because this is minus plus x, which is equal to m sine x raised to 1 m minus 1. We can factor x. So that's the two formula we used. This when you have sine, and this when we have sine cos. But remember, the power here is the same as the coefficient of that, so that's why we used the formula we used. We have 6 here, we have 6, we have 6 here, we have 6, so that's how we use the formulas first. Thank you.